Okay, I got a problem with the snowblower here. I think the float valve in the carburetor might be munged up, but I'm not sure. Let me demonstrate. First, I'll disengage the drive. Fuel on. Choke. Ignition, I left it on. Oops. Now wait. Shut off by now. Let me shut off the air compressor. I'll drain the tank later. Okay, so, and there's smoke coming off. You see the smoke? And I had filled this, it was a bone dry tank, I filled it. And it's hard to tell, but the level is somewhat down now. Normally, one tank will do this driveway like a bunch of times. So, I'm thinking the float bolt, but I'm not sure. Now, down here, I think this is it. No, that's not it. Up in there, there is a, actually I think this is it. Yeah. That's the drain valve. So, at any rate, obviously I can't use the snowblower in this condition. And the dealer I got it from is the same one I got the bike from. In other words, out of business. I really, really hate the idea of having to go in there because I don't have a manual for it. But I guess I have to open it up and well, drain out the fuel into a Department of Transportation approved gasoline container and clean up the works and hope that that doesn't fuck things up even more. I'm not a happy camper right now. Fortunately, my car's all-wheel drive, so unless the snow, it's wet snow, so unless it gets more than like 8 inches, I can go in and out the driveway, but it's a pain in the ass. So, if anyone can leave in comments what they think is the issue and how I should go about fixing it, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much.